Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Intel graphics driver on Windows. Click System Information. My system processor is Intel i7 with 9th generation. System type is x64 based PC. Type your processor name with driver. Click Downloads for Intel. Select your operating system. Click Download. Open downloaded file. Click Yes. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.